week's edition of Big Face with your host, Samantha Jane Tilton.
Hey everybody, welcome to Big Face. I'm your host, Samantha Jane Tilton. My guest today, Jonathan Jazz Anderson, actor, new friend of mine. What's up?
Hey girl, what's going on?
How you doing?
Look, one of those days, like you know, Monica said, just one of them.
I grew up on that, man.
You know, but I'm not on my favorite.
That's what.
But
I don't know, man.
Listen, I get aggravated like I feel aggravated like I'm running. You know what I'm saying? Like, should I get light or heavy?
It's one of those days, huh? Dude, and we just had like all this tech difficulty, and so like that alone, I felt bad for this guy. It's frustrating. It's hard to deal with.
Listen, don't feel bad for me. You know what I'm saying? Like, we're in Rob. Like, just listen to everything happens for a reason. There's a purpose behind everything. And then listen, this is just part one. You're going to get a part two.
What did I just say? And what did I say to you? I'm like, shit happens for a reason. Like, this is exactly how it's supposed to be. Like,
listen, hold on. As the shirt that I say,
no.
I said it was written. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let me tell you something. I was just telling Samantha that, you know, I'm glad that I see, look, we only have about a half an hour. We're supposed to have this is part one.
Part one, baby, part one.
So I'm going to say this is a good thing because I want you guys to realize today wasn't my best day. Today wasn't the day that I woke up and I felt great. Today wasn't the day that I woke up and I felt inspired. Today was the day that I woke up and I felt like I was going to come. No, it wasn't that day. It was the doubtful day. It was I don't feel success day. It was I'm kind of caught in my emotions day. It was one of those days where people don't see. So I want you to realize that no matter what, still all Jazz Soul and Samantha still hitting that mother effing page because you got to, no matter what. So I want you to realize that listen, this is not a good day, but I'm still here. I'm still hitting that page.
Showed up.
Still, that's what it's all about. Because you're gonna have them. So understand that they do arise, even with people that you think may not have them. Or may not be, you know what I'm saying? Because again, see, this is what I'm saying. Like, you guys see the posts. Brent Ross. That's narcissist. Look good. You guys see, you know what I mean? Like, he's doing
He's got things going on, right? He's doing things. He must be feeling great. And it's like, just because things are happening, and we can be grateful that they are, doesn't mean it always feels good. It doesn't. And like, what did I say to you? Like, so guys, we were starting, and there was frustrations, and I got it. Like, one of the things that I do, and I said it to you, but when I'm like beside myself, like about to rage or whatever, like I've had it, I go, I like check myself, and I usually say like, I'm like, what are 10 things that I'm grateful for? What did I say to you? I was like, tell me 5 things you're grateful for.
You did. She calmed me down.
Doesn't that help?
You know what I'm saying? Look, let me tell you something. It definitely does. And see, what that is called is checking in with your emotions. You guys have to realize, like, the calm act for me is my best act. You know what I'm saying? Like, I was getting paid for promoting it, but it's check-in time. You know what I'm saying? So what Sam asked me to do was to check in with how I'm feeling and what I'm grateful for. See what I'm trying to say? So by me taking that time out to just check in and say, it puts a level of understanding in your mind that you may not have right there because listen, subconscious will be conscious. This is the core thing. You know what I'm saying? You got to start to train your subconscious because when you're conscious, your conscious just straight focus. You know what I mean? But that's the conscious that hits you.
Well, that's the worst thing is for me, it's if I have the awareness, no matter how painful something is, no matter how much it messes